Hey guys, and thanks for joining me. Today I am doing a product review on a travel pillow by this brand right here. Here is what the box looks like. It's kind of a neat looking box that it comes in. And here are the instructions for washing it. So this pillow, it was sent to me, but all opinions in this video are that of my own. Now let's go ahead and open this up. So it comes with a really nice bag. The material, it feels like a weatherproof type material. Oh, check it out. So here we have a sleeping mask. Oh, and it is nice and comfortable. So here are some earplugs. These will be very useful, especially for flying. Little desk impact. So here is the pillow itself. So it is really soft. So it has a memory foam feel to it. It's got some drawstrings on the front of it. Let's see. Oh, that is nice. This is super comfortable. So I could definitely find this being very useful during a flight. I even have neck issues. And this is also machine washable, so you can take this out. Here's what the memory foam looks like. This is definitely your all-in-one bundle. This has everything you're gonna need to travel and be nice and comfy with this, and I would highly recommend this.